daily, do you pick the Ecolo Connect or do you pick the Nexa? As you can see, this one's bigger and this one's a little smaller. So here's the differences. Okay, no, here's the similarities. They are 4 wheels, AC, heat, power windows, power locks, remote start, key start, same size tires, same braking, same suspension. But if you are a bigger person or you just prefer more room, you want to go with this one. There's about a $3,000 difference between the two of them. However, this one we can ship across North America. The reason being is that it fits on the back of a tailgate. This can literally be delivered like a couch or a fridge. It comes back, it can come off the tailgate. This one, it's just too big. We have to either figure out some shipping to a business or we just deliver it to you ourselves if you're in Ontario. So they're very challenging to ship. The distance is better in the Connect. It actually has bigger batteries and it's smaller, so you get better distance. Turning radius is slightly better on this one. This one you can get handlebars in and you don't have to get AC. So this one, again, overall is less money. This does not have HST on it. Ecolo has been around since 1986, and just the way that they do their importing, their whole lineup is a federal certified medical device, and that is a huge plus on this one. If you were to get into any police or just questions, you have a little more backup with these, but in another video, this one was deemed in court as a medical device. If where you live that you need to drive on the sidewalks, this is going to fit on a sidewalk because this is 38 inches wide. We'll put it in the caption. This is 53, I think. Size though, I'm 5'3". Not telling you my weight. Stumpy. Fit and finish is the same on both of them. The double sealed. No, this one's not double sealed, but this actually comes in the door more. It's nice and flush. But you just don't have as much elbow space in this one. And your foot well here, it's hard to see because it's black, but there's not as much space here. Your seat, if you're a particularly tall person, you just have less height and less knee distance there. But if you're smaller, like honestly, I don't see why you need to spend the money. You can still squeeze 2 people back here. Depends on their size, right? But you can fit 2 people back here. Now, I could not fit me and my 2 kids back here, but we certainly can in the Nexa, right? If we go to the Nexa, door opens just as wide, but you can see, right? You've got, what is it? Like 10, 12 more inches of space. So you've got 6 inches more on each side. Here's the footwell. This is what I'm talking about. See how much space there is here? So if you've got bigger feet, just you're a bigger person, the Connect's not going to work for you. This is the seat all the way back. Oh, and this one has a swivel seat, and that's kind of nice. So this is all the way back. Again, just a bigger, taller person. Yeah, so that's the question. Which one do you get? Of course, if you can make it to the showroom, you can come and sit in them and feel them and all of that. But 90% of our customers are just buying this right from these videos. And that's why I want to do the comparison. Which one do you get? I would encourage you to go with the Connect more, just based on affordability, more accepted on sidewalks, and a little better distance. But like I said, this is the Cadillac. Because Cadillacs are bigger, a little more comfier, and we sell both equally, to be honest. So it just depends on you and really the size that you are and who you want to carry with you in the back. So that's that. I hope that helps.